Every day, about 83 million rolls of toilet paper are consumed worldwide. It's one of the most essential items in our homes. But how is toilet paper made? We visited a paper factory to uncover the process behind its production. Toilet paper was developed in 1857 by American entrepreneur Joseph Cady, who introduced it to the market under the name therapeutic paper. In its early years, it was sold in packages of pre-cut sheets, but a key innovation came in 1890 with the invention of the roll format, revolutionizing its use and making it more practical and accessible. It's estimated that each person uses approximately 100 rolls of toilet paper a year, amounting to about 21 billion rolls globally. That's enough to wrap around the earth multiple times. To reduce tree cutting, the industry heavily relies on recycling other types of paper. However, transforming rough, used paper into soft, white, absorbent toilet paper is a complex process developed over the last 150 years. At this impressive paper factory, high-quality toilet paper is produced using an innovative recycling process that gives discarded paper a new purpose. The cycle begins with the arrival of tons of paper from schools, offices, and universities. Every sheet that enters the plant undergoes a meticulous selection process, distinguishing between office paper, magazines, and newspapers that meet rigorous purity standards. Like alchemy, only the brightest and highest quality papers are chosen for this remarkable transformation. These high-quality papers have strong fibers and are easy to process into soft toilet paper. Once the paper is collected and sorted, it is temporarily stored in large bales. These compacted bales allow large amounts of recycled paper to take up less space, facilitating storage in the factory. The transformation process then begins, recycling about 200 tons of paper daily. The recycled paper is fed into a machine known as a pulpier, a large industrial tank resembling a giant blender. It mixes water and recycled paper at high speeds, breaking the paper down into its base.